We are pleased to have finished Ashinis, our first project in Chennai despite the challenging COVID times. The client approached us prior to COVID with the project, and after the back-end process of fine-tuning the floor plan, structural design and so on, we began the execution process. The site area is about 2,400 square feet and it faces west. The house is a G+1 structure with one duplex unit having 3 bedrooms and 2 separate rental flats. In the ground floor, there is a 1 BHK unit, parking and a duplex house with a formal and casual living area. There is a 1 2 BHK unit on the first floor, and the duplex continues upstairs with a study, a home theatre, 1 bedroom with an attached toilet, a front balcony and a rear terrace with a stairway leading up to the terrace above. The double height living space, which has a wooden staircase going to the first floor, is the focal point of the home. A skylight located just above this double height space serves as the primary source of light for the entire house. The water body underneath the staircase is another highly fascinating feature of the house. It enhances the living room's beauty and elegance. We selected neutral colored vitrified tiles for the flooring, which highlights the area and gives it a spacious appearance. While the main interior paint color is kept white to provide a neutral environment, one wall in each space is accented either with texture paint or cladding. The terrace has an RCC overhead tank in place of a conventional one because it has a longer lifespan. The terrace also has a semi-open area with Mangalore tile roof, increasing the amount of usable space. Brick cladding is employed to bring color to the front exterior of the house, which has a sloping roof on the ground level. Vertical MS sections are designed to break the elevation's horizontal character. Overall, Ashinis is a perfect blend of semi-traditional and contemporary design elements externally, while inner space is entirely contemporary in design.